Hi, hello dear students, welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, locus problems which is in Mathematics 1B. From this chapter, generally we will get one 4 marks question. In the COVID-19, we are getting 2 4 marks questions in this locus. In locus, we have 5 to 6 important concepts are there. The locus which is related to area of triangle, the locus which is related to right angle to triangle concept. That means we are going to apply Pythagoras theorem. And the locus related to sum of the distances PA plus PB. The locus related to PA minus PB. And they will give geometrical condition. We will find out the locus of the locus of the given point. These type of questions. I will make the area of triangle concept problems which are in one video. Right angle is one video and sum of the distances in one video. Difference of the distances is another video. Like this I will make it, dear students. I will move to the question. A equal to 2 comma 3, B equal to minus 3 comma 4 are two given points. Find the equation of locus of point P so that the area of the triangle PAB is 8.5. For all the locus problems, first step is let P of x comma y be any point on the locus. For the first step. Second step, given points, you have to write it. The given points. Next, third step is geometrical condition. From fourth step onwards, we will simplify that geometrical condition and get the locus. This is the procedure, this is the algorithm to solve these type of problems. First step is let P of x comma y be any point on the locus. This is the first step, dear students. In the second step, given points. You write it A and B. So A equal to 2 comma 3 and B equal to minus 3 comma 4. First point x1 y1, second point x2 y2. Sir, where is the third point to calculate that area? The given point itself we will take it. Next condition, geometrical condition. The area of triangle PAB is 8.5. The area of triangle PAB is equal to 8.5. That is area of triangle half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to 8.5. That implies that 2 we are taking into this side and in place of x1, y1, z1, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 substitute these values. This is obviously x3, y3 locus point. So mod x1 value 2 into y2 means 4 minus y3. Y3 value is y plus x2 value minus 3. Here you will keep that minus 3 into y3 minus y1. Y3 means y minus y1 is 3. Here plus x3 value is x. Y1 minus y2. Y1 means what? 3 minus y2. Y2 means 4 is equal to 2 into 8.5. Mod 2 into 4, 8. 2 into minus y, minus 2y. Minus 3 into y, minus 3y. Minus 3 into minus 3, plus 9. 3 minus 4 is x. Minus 1, minus 1 into x. Otherwise, actual multiplication only do one step, it is not a problem. 3 into x, 3x, minus 4 into x, minus 4x is equal to 2 into 8.5, which is equal to 17. That implies mod first x terms minus 4x plus 3x minus x minus 3y minus 2y minus 5y 9 plus 8 17, which is equal to 17. In this modulus, take common minus x plus 5y minus 17 is also equal to 17. If you mod in this modulus, minus is going to eliminate, so it will becomes mod x plus y 5y minus 17 equal to 17. If you remove this modulus, this will becomes x plus 5y minus 17 is equal to plus or minus 17. This is the turning step, dear students, you remember. If you remove this modulus, we are getting this side plus or minus. So from here, two equations we are getting. One is x plus 5y minus 17 equal to 17 and x plus 5y minus 17 equal to minus 17. Both sides minus 17, you have to cancel it, and here 17 we can take this side. X plus 5y minus 17 equal to 0 and x plus 5y is equal to 0. So x plus 5y minus 34 equal to 0 and x plus 5y equal to 0. Last conclusion step. Therefore, the locus of point P, is just a combined equation of these two. So first x plus 5y into x plus 5y minus 34 equal to 0. This is the way the area of triangle problems we will do, dear students. More two questions. This is the example problem. More two problems which are there in the exercise, that also I am going to do in this video. So completely all that area of triangle questions in the locus at one place. We'll move to the next one. The next question. This is the second bit, second section in the question number 7 in the locus chapter in the Telugu Academy textbook. A equal to 5 comma 3 and B equal to 3 comma minus 2 are two given points. Find the equation of locus of P so that the area of triangle PAB is. In some books, the wording will be changed, but ultimately the procedure, everything will be same, dear students. So keep in mind and write step by step. First step is what? Obviously, let P of x comma y be any point on the locus. Next step is given points. So in this question, given points is A of 5 comma 3. So 5 is x1, 3 is y1. B of 3 comma minus 2. The area of triangle PAB is given as 9 square units, 9. So half into, write that formula, x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 equal to 9. In the next step, mod 2 we are taking that side, and before that we will substitute the respective values. x1 equal to 5 into y2 value is minus 2 minus y3 value is y, x2 value is 3 into y3 minus y1. So y3 means what? Y minus y1 value is 3 plus x3. x3 means x into y1 minus y2. So 3 y1 minus y2 minus of minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 9 into 2. Why? Because 2 we are taking this side. Huh? So that implies that 5 into minus 2 minus 18, 5 into minus y minus 5y, 3 into y 3y, 3 into minus 3 minus 9, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 into x, 5x is equal to 18. Even here also, first I am going to write x term, after that y term, after that constant. So here, mod 5x minus 5y plus 3y minus 2y minus 9 minus 18 minus 27. Sorry, 5 2s are 10. I forgot. Sorry, very sorry. 5 2s are 10. So, minus 10 minus 9 is minus 19 is equal to 18. If you remove this modulus, we'll get plus or minus this side. Here only I am writing 5x minus 2y minus 19 is equal to plus or minus 18. So 5x minus 2y minus 19 is equal to 18 and 5x minus 2y minus 19 is equal to minus 18. So these values minus 18 we can take this side. 5x minus 2y minus 19 minus 18 equal to 0 and 5x minus 2y plus minus 19 plus 18 equal to 0. So 5x minus 2y minus 37 equal to 0 and 5x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. Last conclusion step. Therefore, the locus of P, the locus of point P is the combined equation of these two. 5x minus 2y minus 37 into 5x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. This is the way you have to do it, dear students. We'll move to the next question. The next question, this is 8th question in the second section, second bit. A of 1 comma 1 and B of minus 2 comma 3 are two given points. Find the equation of locus of point P so that the area of triangle PAB is 2 units. So first step is let P of x comma y be any point in the locus. Second step is given points, that is 1 comma 1 and minus 2 comma 3. And the area of triangle PAB is how many units? 2 units is given. So now 2 we can take here. Mod x1 value is 1 into y2 minus y3, y2 value is 3 minus y3 value is y, x2 value is minus 2 into y3 value is y minus y1 value is 1 plus x3 value is x into y1 minus y1 value is 1 minus y2 value is 3 is equal to 2 2s are 4. That implies 1 into 3 minus y is mod 3 minus y only. So each and every term minus 2 into y minus 2y minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 plus x into 1 plus x minus 3x is equal to 4. That implies mod x minus 3x minus 2x y minus 2y minus 3y 3 plus 2 5 is equal to 4. If you take common minus in this modulus, so 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 4. Within modulus minus will become plus. So mod 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 4. If you remove this modulus, this side we are getting plus or minus, that implies 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to plus or minus 4. If we consider plus, one equation will come 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 4, and 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to minus 4. So 2x plus 3y minus 5 minus 4 equal to 0, and 2x plus 3y minus 5 plus 4 equal to 0. So 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0, and 2x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. So last conclusion step, the combination of these two lines is the required locus. Therefore, the locus of point P is, the locus of point P, 2x plus 3y minus 9 into 2x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. This is the way you can give the answer, dear students. I hope everyone understand. We get confident on this 4 marks question, which is related to the locus in the concept of area of triangle. If still any doubts are there regarding this video, please make a comment in the comment box. I will help you in my free time, dear students. Thank you all of you. Jai Hind.